Hi, welcome to Just About Any Food. Today I will be making some cornmeal porridge. So here I have all the ingredients that I will be using and I will list them in the description box below. Cornmeal porridge is something that you can have for breakfast. It is very filling. So first thing you want to do is to mix your cornmeal with some lukewarm water. And this step you don't want to miss it because if you add your cornmeal to your boiling water, it will become lumpy. After adding your cornmeal to the hot water, you want to make sure to continue stirring until your porridge is cooked. Because if you stop stirring, your cornmeal porridge will also become lumpy. You can choose to use condensed milk to sweeten your porridge or sugar. But with condensed milk, it's more creamier, so I opt for the condensed milk. Also, you can use the cow's milk to sweeten it if you like. So there you have it, my cornmeal porridge is ready, and I'm going to have mine with some crackers. You can choose to have yours with crackers or bread. So please to like my video, leave a comment, subscribe, and cook with love always.